Hi, meet my dog, Coco. She is very makulit, but she's so sweet. Look, Coco, where's your sister? Where's Ate Lilo? Where's Ate Lilo? I'm not playing. I think she's only 2 years old. She was a very, very makulit na dog. And I am here para hindi siya ma-depress. Mami niya kasi iniwan. Iniwan siya. Nagbakasyon. Kaya ako ang nagbabantay sa kanya. Look. Coco, say hi to everybody, Coco. Hi. Hi. Hello. My name is Coco. Nawawala po ang mata ko. Ano po sa tingin ninyo? Maganda po ba ako? Bye-bye. Welcome to our vlog.